Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out here with the broke truck again. This was not the job I was intending to do today. I was going to put some brake shoes on that I've had for about a month now. Hadn't got around to putting on. And pull the brake shoes off of this axle right here on this side and realized I had a hub seal leaking. So I went to Napa and got a hub seal, and we're doing a hub seal repair now to go along with the brake job. So if you've never seen this before, this is the biggest mess when this hub oil or gear oil gets mixed with the brake dust. It creates that mess, and you cannot hardly wash that mess off of anything. But I've got this all cleaned up here, the spindle with brake clean, got it all tore down, and got it apart and everything. Here's the gunk all down in the brake drum. That mess gets caked up in there. That's just a nasty mess that I got to clean out. These brake drums are stuck on there on the face of the hub as well, and I had to break out the bottle jack here and put that between the frame rail and the brake drum to get the brake drum off. Sometimes you can hit them with a hammer and get them off, but that's not the case on this one. So I had to do that, and there's the axle shaft to come out of it. And I got the hub over here on the tailgate here. I've got it cleaned up with brake clean and everything. And I've got the old seal out. And I used these two heel bars here to pull the seal out. This is a new seal. I've already thrown the old one away. This is a Stemco seal, and this is a better seal than the National seal that was in there. The National seal is what they sell the most what's the most common that they sell at the parts house, because they're cheaper. They're about $20 cheaper than this, and he was going to try to sell me that. And I said, "You ain't got a Stemco?" "Yeah, you want that one? It's $20 more." I said, "Yeah, I don't want to have to do it again next week." But I guess the National seal is not that bad, but the Stemco is supposed to be better, so that's what we're going to go with. And I'm going to set you guys down over here. We're going to see if we can get the seal put in here. All right, guys, the first thing we're going to do is put some Lucas down in here for the seal and the bearing. Some people love this stuff, some people hate it, but it's a great assembly lube. And it's really slick. Works good for putting seals, O-rings, that sort of stuff in. So I want to put that all around here. Put the seal to go down in there a lot easier. Get it on the bearing there, because that bearing's dry, because I just got through cleaning it with brake clean. Alright, guys, that Lucas may have been a little bit too slick for that, actually. I think they recommend using motor oil on that, and it was wanting to cock sideways whenever I was trying to drive it in there. Wasn't wanting to go in straight. It was just so slick, it's just flopping. But anyway, got it in there, didn't damage the seal, so we're good on that. For those of you who do not know, this is a two-piece seal. As you can see the inside of it turning right there. Get it to turn. Anyway, there it goes. It's a two-piece seal. So this actually goes up on your spindle over there, and it's stationary. And then the other piece of the seal turns inside of here so that it does not wear a groove on like a single lip seal, or wear a groove on your spindle. And these are designed not to. But anyway, that's all there is to that. And just got to get it stuck back up on there now and go back together with it. I'll put a little of that Lucas on the inside of here and on the spindle so that it'll go back up on there without any trouble. If not, we'll have a hard time getting it back up on there. All the way back up on there. We'll get some brake clean our bearing and stuff up, stick it back in there. You torque this nut here to spec. I actually do have a socket that's supposed to fit this, but don't have it here. I believe it's at my dad's house. When I worked on the trailer one time before over there. And let me catch the phone. Anyway, guys, where was I? I've got the inner nut tight. Basically, you need to tighten it until, I forget what the specs is, but you tighten it up to make sure you've got your seal and your bearings seated. You turn it and loosen it back off a little bit and do it again. And you want to get the rotating torque to where you can turn it, but that it does not free spin like that. If you get it too tight, you burn the bearings up. If it's too loose, this thing will wobble and the seal will leak. So anyway, I got it about where it should be right there. And you have a locking tab here that's got an ear bent over here, and it's got a notch here. Put this on there like that, and then you put the outer nut on there. Okay, back again. Get this started on here properly. I don't remember what the torque specs is on this either, but it's not that tight. It's not as tight as you would think it would be. And like I say, I got a socket supposedly, but it's at my dad's house. I don't feel like going and getting it. And they didn't have one. I was going to buy another one in Napa, but they didn't have one the correct size. So I couldn't do that. But I took it loose with this here, and I've done this before. Just boogers the nut up a little bit. should be tight. And then we'll fold the little tabs over here so they can't come loose. Like that right there. Fold one more. Maybe that one there. Like that, so that nut can't come loose with those tabs there. And that little seal there, but I think it'll be okay. And we'll put the axle back up in there. Look at that. Stud came out on this one here. Not really supposed to do that. They do sometimes. Got that on there. All I like is putting the brakes back on, and I've already did a video on that. But if you guys want to hang around for a little bit, we're going to put some more on. Man, that's some nasty stuff on the old shoe.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. All likes put the tires on, and I'm gonna mount the 2 tires that I didn't mount the other day on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, stick them back on there, and I'll be done. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hit like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time.